A camper leaking water underneath can be caused by a variety of factors, primarily related to the plumbing system. Over time, the plumbing system can wear out due to road vibrations or aging, leading to leaks. To identify the source of the leak, it's essential to inspect the plumbing system, including the tanks and pipes, for any damage or loose connections. Any damaged pipes should be replaced with durable materials that can withstand the demands of a camper. A faulty water pump, often due to wear and tear, can also cause leaks, as can connectors and seals surrounding the pump. Replacing the water pump can resolve the issue. Additionally, clogged drains and vents can prevent water from flowing freely, resulting in leaks. Using a plumber's snake can help clear out clogs in drains and vents. The camper's body should also be inspected for cracks and holes, which can allow water to infiltrate and cause leaks. These holes and cracks can be sealed using sealants and patches, although severe damage may require professional repair. If an inspection doesn't reveal the source of the leak, a water pressure test can be conducted to force the leak and identify its location. After repairing and replacing parts of the plumbing system, regular maintenance and inspections should be performed before long trips to prevent future leaks. By addressing these potential causes and taking preventative measures, camper owners can identify and resolve leaks underneath their vehicle.